You said tail of an arrow? Is that what you call it?
I'll ask my husband what the technical term is.
So we're going to go with tail.
Feathers.
You're making them the exact same way. It's just where if the colored part is on the outer, that little curved part, or if it's the inner portion. But so you're going to have 2 pieces of each color. And you're going to want mirror pieces. So it's telling you to make 2 piles. Just put one face up and one face down is what you're wanting to end up with. That would have worked too. Back to back. But,
Right sides together.
yeah, it's right sides together, wrong sides together, whichever. But so then you'll end up with opposite pieces.
So then,
So this will be one.
so one feet is up and 1 feet is down.
Oh, it doesn't matter. You're not going to see that much of that piece anyway.
Oh,
I'm not worried about it.
So this is going to make one arrow, and that's going to make another arrow.
This will make, yes. This will make 1 arrow top and 1 arrow bottom, and this will make 1 arrow top, and then you can mix and match however you please. And then this is another one where you're wanting to mark 3/4 of an inch and 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch on that long side and 3/4 of an inch on that side. 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Taking our handy dandy ruler and putting the curve so you can see both dots in there. Okay? That all makes sense? So then after you sew them, so this will be, since the color is on that part of the curve, that's going to be the arrow point. See how that could turn into an arrow point? And this part will turn into the tail. So let's square up some of these. So we're going to put the 3/8 line . The 3/8 line is on this bottom curve part at,
Point to that 3/8 line.
well, you're just kind of having to approximate because there's not a 3/8 inch line all the way down here.
So on the
But
point.
at the 3.5.
Okay.
And then the top curve at the 2 inch needs to be on the curve too. Up there, you see that? So now I need to adjust that back out some.
To get it to the 3/8.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
And see, I mean, there's,
I know.
don't let them confuse you. Theirs looks like it's nice and straight, but mine
I
is
guess that's
perpetually
the problem.
wonky.
That's,
Yes.
I'm glad you said that, because I think that's my problem.
So just make sure your 3.5 at the 2 inch line is on fabric down here, or you're going to have issues. So
Oh, okay. So it doesn't really matter. Just make sure that it's on the fab. Wait.
Yes. Well, the 2 inch line up here needs to be
Right.
on the curve.
Right.
3/8 inch on the 3.5 over
Right.
here is on the curve,
Okay.
and then at the 2 inch and the 3.5 inch is on fabric.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's what gets me messed up.
And turn it around. And 3.5 and 2 inch.
Yeah, because it just looks.
straight.
Yep.
So then to do the opposite way, we're going to put the 3/8 inch line up here at the top curve and the 3.5 at the 2 inch, no, the 3.5 and 2 inch. There's the 2 inch line. Here's the 3.5 inch point. Put that on the curve.
Yeah, see, I guess I thought the 3.5 had to line up with the inside.
I just figured I cut or sewed wrong, but it was straight after I cut it. So
Yeah.
you bet.
I did it. A little manipulating.
I didn't cut something straight that time. 3/8, 2.5. It says it's right. That's a 90-degree corner. Two, 3.5. So that's your arrow.
Ta-da.
Let's do these. We'll do the same thing. So 2 inch line, 3/8 inch. 3/8, 3.5 inches on the fabric. Inch at the 3.5 inch, 3/8 up here. See, that one's a lot more straight than I don't know what makes the
That's
difference.
what I was trying to get my ruler to do.
So then these are going to be your tail, but you're going to put a 2 inch square and sew it diagonally there to cut off that corner. So you're going to end up with this.
So you're going to snowball it,
Yes.
basically. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let me get the back. The
Sorry,
front
I didn't
and
do
the back. Okay.
Let me turn it over.
Nope, we got it.
Okay.